Hey everybody, welcome back to the Dominican route. I am at my job. I got about an hour and a half left. I am a personal caregiver when I come back to Louisiana. My mom got me the job. I work for Mr. David. He's an awesome guy, paraplegic, and I'll be doing a video tomorrow on him. So check that video out tomorrow. It's a long video, but it's an awesome video. But anyway, everybody wanted to know about what's going on with me. The doctor decided to do 2 injections, one in my neck for pain, a pain injection, and one in my back. I already got my pain injection yesterday. So next week I have my back injection. I do have a broken screw in my neck. So they're gonna actually have to do surgery if it worsens, if I start having more numbness and nerve damage. So he said, let's try the injections out. So I have one more injection next week. And my neck feels better. My back still hurts. So next week, I'm ready for next week. And if the symptoms get worse and my neck and my muscles and my nerves start shifting and start putting pressure on that nervous system, he said we're going to have to go in from the back and open the back of my neck up. And because I have my surgeries in the front, but they said those screws hold much better, but the procedure is a little bit more dangerous, and it's also more time consuming. So probably looking at about a 3 or 4 hour procedure. So we will try these injections if the symptoms get worse. And that's where I am. So I'll be back in the Dominican Republic soon. I'm always having a happy spirit and just happy about life. You guys check this video out tomorrow about Mr. David. Very educated man. He lives in Louisiana now, and I'm so happy to work for him. So anyway, I do have some videos at the end. Check the videos out. You can actually see the broken screw in my neck. I kind of zoomed in on it while the doctor was talking. God bless. May peace be still. Peace. I don't know if you've ever seen an MRI. Screws are just there to hold you still.
Gotcha.
So the bone heals.
Okay.
So if the bone doesn't heal, that's where sometimes a screw can move a little bit and cause it'll kind of fatigue and fracture at a certain point.
Now
That's the plate.
What
So
level is that though? I'm sorry.
3-4.
That's 3-4.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, where do you start at? I'm sorry.
So this one's number 1.
Okay.
So 1, 2, so 3, and then 4 is that top.
Okay, so it's 3-4. So the crack is the broken is okay. That's 3-4. Okay, and then I know you said you might go in if we decide to do it. You're gonna go back. You're gonna go from the back side.
Well, the options for something like that. So if you say the bones aren't fused, if you have to fix the fusion, you can either come in from the front or come in from the back. Now, if you come in from the front, you have to take off the old blade.
Okay.
Now that little fractured screws, taking that out, usually just leave that alone because that's like embedded in the bone.
Gotcha.
But you have to re-drill out that bone graft. And the question is if you're fused at the top and the bottom, both of those areas are a little bit questionable.
That makes sense.
So if you drill those out, if you come in from the front, drill it out, put a new bone graft and put a new plate on, the odds of it fusing are high, but not super high.
Gotcha.
You know, if it's around 70%, give or take. You know, if it doesn't fuse, and there's a chance if you come in the front and do all that, do everything perfect, it still may not fuse.
Gotcha.
And then the other alternative is you can do it from behind.
Morning. How y'all doing? All right. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? Oh, you good? I'm right here. Thank you so much, sweetie.
Lean forward for me real quick. I'm gonna take some stickers off your back, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put this right here on your back. Leave that on for 24 hours.
You guys are awesome.
I'm listening, Jake. Mr. John, you getting dressed?
Rail down over here. You put your legs on the side of the bed.